Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by gathering what Apple requires, don't guess. Have the Apple ID email, the device serial number, and proof of purchase ready. First, go to iForget. Apple.com and attempt a password reset using your email or trusted phone. If two-factor prompts appear on a device you own, approve them. Once done, sign out of iCloud normally and disable Find My iPhone in Settings. If that fails, move to Legitimate Account Recovery or contact Apple support for verification. If password resets don't work, contact Apple support directly and explain you cannot access the Apple ID. You must provide serial number, receipt, and government ID when requested. Apple uses these to confirm ownership. Once verified, they will guide you through account recovery or an activation lock removal workflow. Follow their instructions exactly. Make sure to note case numbers and follow up if you get no response. This is the lawful route that preserves your warranty and avoids risks of once Apple confirms ownership, they will remove activation lock or reset the account so you can disable iCloud and erase the device. After their confirmation, sign out in Settings, disable Find My, then perform an erase and restore if needed. If Apple cannot verify ownership, do not attempt bypasses. Instead, obtain more evidence, original seller receipts, credit card records, or Apple Care info, and reopen the case. Remember, without verifiable proof, legitimate access cannot be granted, and bypass instructions are unsafe and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.